Alright, good morning everybody, and welcome for hunt number 12 of the Michigan waterfowl season. It is November 8th, and we are looking at a very strong southeast wind this morning, about 15 to 20, and they're saying there's gusts up to about 35. So we'll see how today goes. Good thing is there was a cold front that is moving in up through Canada right now, so hopefully that kind of push these birds down. So we'll see. But alrighty, we're boats in the water. We're gonna head out, get set up. We'll see you at shoot night. So stick around for hunt number 12. Alright, we are minutes away from shooting light, and we have a strong east wind. I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of blowing, probably about 20 knots. And so we'll see how things go today. So the videos might have some wind noise and some movement to them because my cameras are blowing pretty good. Other than that, we're all set up. 11 dozen decoys. I'm going to have my coffee and wait for shooting light. We'll see you guys then. We got a couple minutes yet. Those are mallards. They're coming into decoys here. Just had some ringnecks that just came right down the channel, what we wanted them to do, but below the tree line we couldn't see them. Still buzzing around somewhere out there. Here they come, right down the channel here on my side. Here they come. Right in, did you see that?
I would appreciate a shot or what you was right there.
Yeah. Alright, we got the skunk out of the bag with a nice drake ringneck. Block came buzzing right down through the channel here. That's what we're set up for the ducks to do. I did, but I thought we were going to wait for them to swing back around. Take Blake to go get him. Blake, back there. Blake, back! I think I might see one. He's got the hen. Come here, Lake. Lake. He's down this main path.
What?
Down the main path. He's coming at you.
Oh, you got this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Where's the other one at?
Over here.
Well, then there's one that's closer.
He's bringing it up there. All right, we're a little over an hour into this hunt, and we've got a ringneck and a hen mallard. Steve also knocked down a drake mallard. Blake and I knocked down behind us. Blake and I went out there to try to see if we could find it, and Blake was swimming all around out there and couldn't find it, so we'll have to look for it later. Seeing more ducks than we seen yesterday in the first hour. We had a couple singles that we're working in. I think this wind is really messing with them. Some of the ducks aren't doing what we want them to do. They're coming out in front of us, which the wind is kind of hitting us in the face. We're trying to get them a cross shot, trying to get them to come from our left to our right, to land in the wind, but they're kind of coming right at us, and it's kind of screwing them up. They want to come in, but the wind's the setup is just not the way we want them to do it. So yeah, but the wind is kind of screwing with my cameras. My cameras are getting all twisted around and pointing in the wrong direction, so I constantly got to go up there and repoint them. But yeah, hopefully it'll get better during the day. We'll see. All right. I just had a group of divers land right out in front of us. I can probably bring that. So we've got a collection of ringnecks out in front of us. Just had a group that kind of buzzed over our heads. Here's our setup. We got our gadwall, a couple spinners. The wind was so strong, the spinners weren't even moving. And we got our divers right here. We got the channel with mallards in the back here with a couple spinners. So our plan was for the ducks to come this way, right down the channel into the decoys, and would get a crossing shot. Kind of what they've been doing. They've been coming down right up in here though. We haven't really seen anything here much in the last hour or so. It's really dead. We got one other party out here, and they're back out in this corner here. Got one. Yeah. Lake Divert, Diverts. Divert, Lake Diverts. Oh, that one just dove. One dove in the decoys. Yep. Because I just noticed it right when it dove. Lake Divert, Lake Divert. Divert. Good boy. Yeah. I think the one you hit dove.
The one I hit dove, and the one that you hit dove, and it popped up right here by the time I got a shot.
Oh, I got this one.
Right? Here's two of them.
I hit two of them?
Yeah. There's one here and one right here. And this one dove, this one swam into the brush.
Okay, that's the one that dove in the decoys? Ooh, dang. Good boy. Oh, geez, I blew his jaw off. The one that's right over here. Well, that flock of ringnecks out there picked up. Flew right in front of us. Got him good. Coming down the channel, right out in front. Well, I'm just getting ready to get on here and let you know that we haven't seen much here in the last few hours. Some ringnecks, and then we had a single hen mallard come in, kind of circled us a couple times and landed out in front of us. But I think we're going to be calling it here at about 11. It's probably about 10:15 right now, so give it another 45 minutes, see what happens, and then if it's still slow, we're going to call it, pick up and get on out of here. Tomorrow, forecast is looking really good. We got some strong winds coming out of the northwest tomorrow, so hopefully tomorrow will be a good day. Other than that, yeah, we'll give it another 45 minutes and we'll probably be calling it. All right, that's going to do it for this hunt. We are out of here with 2 ringnecks and 1 mallard. We got another mallard down. We're going to go try to find the one that Lake and I tried to get earlier. It's about 11 o'clock, maybe 1/4 and just not enough action. We did have a flock of about 5 mallards that flew over us, but showed no interest. Kept on going. So not enough action to keep us out here. So we're gonna pack it up and get out of here, and we'll see everybody for the next hunt. All right, well, we just loaded the boat up, and I missed a good filming opportunity when we pulled up to the boat launch. Michigan Game Warden was there checking everybody out. The party that was out there with us over on the other side of the lake, they pulled out before us, and they were getting checked out right when they just finished getting checked out right when we pulled up. So Game Warden came over to us, and they're Game Wardens, right? Or what are they? Game Wardens. And so he came over and checked this out. I should have filmed it, but I didn't. But anyways, we passed with flying colors. So a nice guy, though, really nice guy. Checked out the birds, checked out shotguns, our shells, our ammo, and our licenses, and then boat registration. We almost had a little problem with that. Steve doesn't have the current sticker on his boat, so we weren't sure if he was registered, but he checked it out, and our boat's good until 2026. So we just got to find a sticker and put it on there. So, but all right, well, that's it for this hunt, and like I said, we'll be back at it tomorrow.